you may have that call, but don't forget, often if God wants you to be a prophet or an apostle, he won't start you as an apostle. He will start you from where you are. Usher in the church, choir in the church, someone that sweep the floor. That is how he operates. Then gradually he will be promoting you, provided you are faithful in the little that he has committed to your hand. How do you defeat yourself before your time? By thinking that you are more than who you are. Learn to walk, learn to submit yourself, learn to submit yourself to serve God wherever you are.